Oh, this shit is cold. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. Today's Friday. We're heading out to Austin today. But first, I'm gonna jump in the pool. Ooh, hell yeah. Because you know it's supposed to be hot out there in Austin. So I'm gonna enjoy this while I can. A little bit too close, Wayne. A little bit too close. Let's go back a little bit.
Right there?
Yeah. Alright, we finally got on the road. We stopped at Buc-ee's to put some gas. We should have left at about 10 o'clock, but we didn't end up leaving until about 11 o'clock. We took 90. From here we're going to get 71. We're going to make a stop at Bastrop. We're going to stop at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station. Maybe eat some barbecue there, and then after that, head into town, maybe check into the hotel, and then I think we're gonna go to the rally to go look at the shirts and the merchandise, maybe pick up a couple of things. From there, head on back and go maybe check into the room, and maybe go eat again and start drinking.
And catch a buzz.
And catch a buzz. Woo! And it's here. Finally, it's here. Stuck behind a freaking 18-wheeler. Go around, go around. Look who showed up at the last fucking minute.
Hey.
Hey, we gotta meet y'all here, man.
Did you get your new seat yet? Did you get your new seat yet? Girl, no.
What's going on, bro?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good.
I know, it's been a long time. How are you, man?
Pour lipstick and kiss it in.
A ver, ¿cómo se...? A ver. Okay, say that again.
What? Say Henry's writing his name in the bathroom wall again.
It was here again.
I was here again.
You remember me?
All right, we made it to Buc-ee's. We met up with Miguel and his wife. Now we're going over to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, which is down the road, I guess. We're in Bastrop. But you know, I'm not gonna be able to stay at the cabins, but you know, we're gonna go see what it's about. Alright, so we are at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station. You guys know how I like this fucking horror shit. The blood and guts and shit. Well, here we are. Now, I was supposed to stay here in the back. I wanted to make plans to do that a while back, but nobody wanted to stay, so instead we came on our way to the rock rally. We stopped right here. We're gonna go check it out. And of course, there's my bike. The band's in the back. The replica van like that. Oh yeah. Now you guys know this is not the original van. This is just a replica. But as you can see, they're trying to make it like almost the same thing that they use in the movie. You can see people try to put some names on here. Ah. Hey, look at that. And of course, there's the cabins back there. Oh. Pretty trippy, right? Can you imagine how this shit went down, how everything happened? Alright, let's go take a look inside.
Right after the hitchhiker got kicked out. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so we order food from here?
Yes, you can do that.
Are we gonna eat here?
I don't know.
Well, if you want to think about it, and you can take menus with you and walk around if anyone's outside and you want to figure out what y'all want to do. But yeah, we have seating out back. It's a covered area out back, and or you can take it to go. You place the order.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll take them outside. Thank you. Okay, yeah. Just let me know when you're ready.
Oh, that's some scary shit right there.
Oh,
The kiss.
yeah, they're not masked.
Really?
They're bust. There were somebody did like a sculpture of it, so it's someone's artwork.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, when I saw this one, I was like, oh, that is a badass mask, and I was like, no, it's actually someone custom, made that. So,
Yeah. So I bet you get a lot of visitors here, huh?
Yes, we do.
You know,
Groups, and sometimes it's just they stop by and have no idea what they just stumbled into.
I've been wanting to stay here, man. I was trying to get the whole group to stay here, but everybody's scared to stay.
Oh, you get left out here at night by yourself.
Really?
We actually have a whole wedding party that's coming in right now. They're gonna have a wedding out here tomorrow. So yeah.
So do you guys have like props or somebody that comes out there with a chainsaw and scare people?
Because of insurance purposes and stuff, we can't do it.
What if I gave you like a 50?
That's what somebody said in one of our kids are like,
You know, I want to scare somebody.
right?
I want the sausage plates.
Okay.
What's your size? What size do you have?
Think of medium, potato salad, and coleslaw.
I want to buy a big size coleslaw.
Ooh.
And on the combo,
Stickers.
spicy has jalapeno.
Just a regular.
Regular size? Okay.
Ooh, look at
Are they gonna be all together?
Look at that. They got that right there. Oh, yeah.
Well, they can thin it out as much as they can. We can have to cut it thin.
Yeah, man, give me next to this guy right here, man.
Who is that, man?
Jason, man.
Jason, Friday the 13th.
Yeah.
I already get to get you next to the beer, right?
So the story goes, the Sporty that I had earlier before, I bought it on Friday the 13th, and I called her Alice because it was Jason's first kill.
Yeah, first kill.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look, he's looking at you, wait.
Yeah, that's him right there, man.
You gotta do sound effects and everything.
Man, that's love you.
Man, I've been wanting to come here for a long time, man.
Too fun, man.
Yeah, I wanted to go fucking camp out back there. In the campus.
Oh, they do that?
Yeah, but nobody wanted to come. Everybody was scared to come.
So is this the actual spot? No, this is not the actual spot.
There's a gas station. Gas station. The house is in Keeneland. We went to that one last time.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, we told you we wanted to go.
Yeah.
We stopped there and we ate
Yeah, I didn't
there.
get to go to that one.
Yeah. Really?
Maybe it's all whatever.
Y'all want to go somewhere else or what? Because they're already ordering.
No.
I'm really scared.
I really wanted to stay here tonight. Well, not tonight, but I wanted to stay here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in the cabin.
Shit, no.
You should know.
You can stay here.
That's scary.
On your own.
Ooh, cockroach. Can I put this on my sausage? Or inside the booby.
And then 2 drinks. Yes, ma'am. Okay, total is 16.
You know what's trippy is, you know, the trippy part about it is the shit that, you know, went down, you know, like, the shit, you know, man, that would...
I have to watch the movie again, but I just don't feel like it.
Oh, yeah, I saw it. It's like almost like a classic. And, you know, I kind of like this shit, man.
All right.
Thank you.
Did they explain the sauce to you?
No, hell
They're
no.
saying that the red is hot and the white is not. Okay, now let me explain something to you. The red is hot. I'm not your mom. I'm not coming out here to scrape it off. You're grown ass adults. If you throw it on there and you can't handle it, I'm not responsible for your decisions. Okay.
You got it.
Okay. Now you're gonna see that it starts off real sweet. You're gonna make, man, that guy's full of because it's gonna hit you in the back of the throat. Okay. And then you're gonna realize I was right. Now it's not that eat it and walk around with the half your face stroked off for the rest of the day. You know, drooling, nothing like. It's not that bad. Okay. It'll go away. You will live. I do charge up front for first aid and CPR though. All right. So if you fall out, I gotta check your wallet. If you're not carrying cash, I gotta go inside and charge a bunch of shit on your card till I feel better about myself, and that might take a little while. All right, it's been kind of a shitty week. All right, so now if you do happen to die, there's another pit out front that is currently not lit. Hence I say currently. All right, because it can be lit. Now once it gets lit, whatever happens from there, that's on y'all. All right. Now I might not have to buy meat next week. So, and I'll just call your car in as abandoned. And what I'll do is I'll rewind that tape, I'll record over and be like, I don't know who the hell they were. What are you talking about? I got plenty of woods out here, man, and there's wild hogs. I won't see nothing. Nobody else will either. All right, guys?
All right.
All right, you know the rules, man. Don't mess it up, okay?
I appreciate it. All right. All right, that dude was fucking funny, man.
That was good. That was good.
I think someone's in there. Can you tell everybody, man, because I was trying to plan a trip to come and stay here for all of us, but they're fucking scared.
Chicken shit.
Tell them there ain't nothing going on.
Look, the scariest thing out here is me, and I'm too fat to run anybody down. On a downhill tuck and roll, I got all you fuckers, okay? But if it's walking or fucking running, I don't run, okay? It doesn't happen. There's nothing scary out here, man. I'm telling you, the only thing I have is like 4 raccoons and a fucking cat that can run around in a gang and knock all my trash cans down. They're a bunch of assholes. They really do. I sat out here one night and watched them, man. 4 raccoons pried that shit open and all these cats ran. I was like, you serious? They work together now? No. So there's nothing out here. It's quiet as hell. That's the scariest thing is how damn quiet it is, man. You walk outside and you're, no, hell no, I'm going back inside. I'll piss on myself, thanks. I'll open the window. No, it's nice, man. And if y'all rent all 4 cabins and stay, you know, let us know. Because, I mean, we generally try to, you know, we'll try to stay and do a movie or something, you know, because we got a 12-foot movie screen, too, so.
Yeah, I put it in here.
So, yeah, we try to do some extra stuff. But, yeah, if y'all ever decide to do a group trip out here, let us know, and we'll try to work something out.
I asked her if y'all do any props like a chainsaw and all that shit.
No, man, insurance said no. The insurance company was like, y'all gonna scare people? We're like, it's the fucking Texas Chainsaw Massacre gas station. They were like, nope. So we had to back off.
I said, man, I've been wanting to come here, man, but
hey, you see, man, it's fun.
They're fucking bikers, man. What the fuck, right? I don't understand it. All right, man. It was nice talking to you,
It's
man.
a pleasure, man.
Thanks for the info.
Yeah.
What's the easiest way to get back to that?
And brisket's good.
Yeah. You guys come down here, man. You guys gotta check it out. Eat the food here. It might be some body parts, but hey, it's all good, dog.
Hey, we're still walking around.
Yeah. What did you have, an arm or a leg?
It's hard to say. Probably had some thighs to go with that sausage.
Butt cheek. Well, we're here, but I don't see a lot of people out here. I don't see a lot of bikes. I could be wrong. I don't